before. Now I'm a father, so I'm an artist, I'm a father, I'm a brother, I'm a friend, I'm a community member. So how it came about, I studied art in 2003, and then since then I never looked back. But primarily I'm a collage artist, like I specialize in collage, which is a medium where we use paper and other sorts of material, but mostly it's paper. But now, since I've been hard with keys, got to be exposed back, reintroduced, I could say, to actual painting and mural painting. You know, and it's been one hell of a joyful ride. We have our own experiences with all that joiling and being brought together into one. We make a fantastic team, irrespective of which people we choose to work with within the teams that we have at Keys. You know, it's just fantastic. You know.
My name is Viso. I'm from Mpumalanga, but now reside in Gauteng, in Soweto. This is my hometown now. I've always loved art. Reason being that I'm in Gauteng, that opportunities were more this side. I've done a lot of other jobs, but wasn't really feeling it. And finally went to art school, and then I'm a visual artist, so I do all types of art, but most of all, I love murals. I love doing graffiti.